acid and base. You know what? Today, at least you gotta understand what's the difference between acid and the base. Okay, get to the point now. Alright, acid. First of all, what is the taste? That means sour. That's right, very sour. Alright. What about base? Bitter. Alright, bitter in taste. Alright. So now, okay, most case, okay, so acid has told you, okay, regular neutral was, let's say, water. Okay, H2O. Okay, that's water, right? Now we have too much hydrogen. It's going to be one more hydrogen. This is going to be H3O. That means one more hydrogen. That's why this is going to be positive charge. Okay. Now, what about this one then? You lose hydrogen. That's why OH. No 2 here. Okay, that means this one you lost one H. This is going to be negatively charged. Okay, so we call anion, hydroxide. Okay, this name right here is hydroxide. Okay, hydroxide. Very simple. What about this one? Hydronium. Alright, hydronium. Alright, okay. Okay, the basic idea is this one. Okay, so acid, most case acid poisonous. What about base? Poisonous. So if you get poisoned by acid, what you need? That's right, you need the base to neutralize. Neutralize? Wait a minute, let me give you one sample of acid. Okay, HCl. Oh, that's right, HCl is hydrochloric acid. That's right, usually we have this one small amount of acid in our stomach. Okay, hydrochloric acid. Okay, what about this one then? You know what, I'm gonna give you one very famous one. Okay, NaOH. Oh, told you, OH, that's base. That's right, but this one in solution we call alkaline. Alright, see, alkaline. Alright, that's it. So now, but that's base, alkaline, the same thing, but this one is in solution. Alright, so now sodium hydroxide. Then both, that's right, so if you have wrong one right here, so both can be poisonous. Now if you mix this one together, look at this one, HCl and this one together, this one gonna yield, look at this one, inside outside. That's why I use this one. Okay, look at this one, this is a negative, this is a positive. Positive and negative, NaCl. What about outside one? Say outside, this is a positive, this is a negative. Okay, so together this is going to be HOH. In other words, two H's, right? That's why H2O. Now wait a minute, told you about this one. So hydrochloric acid can be poisonous. Now NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide, poisonous. Now put them together, this is going to be simply NaCl, which is sodium chloride. That's right, sodium chloride is a salt. Especially we eat this one every day, right? That's why we call this one table salt. Alright, sodium chloride. Alright, sodium chloride. And simply this one is water. Oh, that means, in other words, salt water. Wait a minute, that means we have a poisonous by NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide. What do we need? That's right, we need maybe hydrochloric acid to neutralize make it salt water. Oh, you can save somebody's life. Okay, to make sure, okay, you have to understand this one. Hydronium is a positively charged, that's what we call cation. Cation. Okay, negatively charged hydroxide is an anion. Alright, anion. Alright. Especially cation, you're not going to read this one, cation. Okay, that's cation. Alright. Now, I highly recommend you to remember just a few acids and few hydroxide. Just important one. How about that? Alright. Now, hydrochloric acid, very important. Okay. Now, next one I recommend you to remember is, okay, remember now, okay, H3PO4. Very important. Okay, next one, H2SO4. Okay, next one, H2CO3. What about next one? Okay, HNO3. One more I recommend you to remember is this one. This one is very interesting one. Okay, H, then 3 Ku. Alright, that's how I remember. Okay, so H, then 3 Ku. Okay. Okay, let's name these things. Alright. Okay, how are we gonna name this one? Okay, the first one was hydrochloric acid. Actually, you can read this one, everything, just like this one. Hydrogen chloride. This one, hydrogen phosphate, hydrogen sulfate, hydrogen carbonate, hydrogen nitrate, hydrogen acetate. Okay? Now, you have a common name too. This one is a hydrochloric acid. Okay. Hydrochloric acid. Okay. This one, phosphoric acid. Oh, phosphoric acid. What about this one? Sulfuric acid. Alright, sulfuric acid. This one, carbonic acid. Oh man, very interesting. Nitric acid. How about this one? Acetic acid. Acetic acid. You know what this one is? That's right. We eat this one every day in the kitchen. Okay, you need some food sour taste, then you use this one, acetic acid. That's what we call vinegar. Alright, that's the same thing right there. Now, the right hand side. Oh man, right hand side. We have basic, right? So base. Okay, alkaline. Alright. NaOH, that's a famous one. Okay, next one. How about this one? KOH. Oh man. So I told you this one, so you gotta read this one, hydroxide, right? First one, sodium hydroxide. Next one, potassium hydroxide. If you have Li, then OH, lithium hydroxide. How about that? Oh, next one now. What about Mg? Then OH, because Mg has a 2 valence. Okay, that's why you need a 2 right there. Okay, later we talk about this one more. Okay, magnesium hydroxide. How about the next one? Oh, maybe Ca. Ca also has power, 2 power, so need 2 right here. Okay, calcium hydroxide. What about the next one? Oh, yes, I give you maybe aluminum. Aluminum, oh man, that has a positive 3 power, right? Then you need 3 right here. Okay. Alright, I'm giving you, that's right, okay, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 acids, right? Okay, 6 acids. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bases, right? Now, I give you one more. Okay, this is very important base. Okay, alkaline. Alright, you know what this one is? This one, NH4, then OH. Okay, this one is a positive one, this is negative one. Hey, you don't need the number for this one, okay? You know what this one is? That's right, ammonium. Oh man, ammonium right there. See? Ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide really stinky. Okay? So, hey, so you're going to be unconscious. Maybe you can use this one for waking somebody up. Okay, that's it. This is really stinky. Okay? Alright. Do you know what EMT is? EMT. Alright. EMT is, I think this is a pretty good job, especially for young people, man. So you're gonna be EMT, emergency medical technician. If you have this job, oh man, you working in the emergency room. Okay, you never get tired, you never get sleepy, because always dealing with sick people, somebody has an accident, something like that. Especially somebody got poisoned. Okay, let's say poisoned by sulfuric acid right here. Okay, so H2SO4, right? Then you want to save this guy. Okay, so then maybe you need, this is a basic idea. Okay, you're not going to use this one. Okay, so I just give you some common sense idea. Okay, then maybe you can say, oh, calcium hydroxide. Okay, that's base. Okay, calcium, then hydroxide, OH2. Okay, as you see, hydrogen 2, OH2, so both has a power 2, which is what we call valence. Okay, valence is 2, so you don't have to worry about numbering. Okay, so even exchange. How about that? Alright, so inside, outside. Oh, inside, calcium sulfate. That's right, calcium sulfate. Oh, so simple. Now the outside, wait a minute, OH2, then H2, total how many H's? Total 4 H's, right? That means, wait a minute, you can change this one like this one, H2O, then this one should be 4, 2 oxygens. That means you gotta put number front. That's right, that's plus sign right there. So that means calcium sulfate is salt. This one is a kind of salt. Okay, one kind of salt. This one is simply water. That means you made this one what? Salt water. In other words, neutralized. Very simple, man. This is salt right there. Okay,